What's up, guys? So today we're going to be shooting off some fireworks, so get ready. Alright, so Sandy's got some fireworks.
Don't record me.
Which one are you shooting off first?
This
Just don't.
Where's the lighter?
Yeah, I'm recording it. Hey, Bon, you want to say hi?
Hi. Hey, watch out, because those go.
Hey, Bon, smoking. Hey, Bon, if I blow my fingers off, guess I can't pick my nose anymore.
That's right, no more booger picker.
Alright, guys, let's shoot off these fireworks.
Oh, shit.
Alright, let's watch this one. Don't blow your fingers off.
Who's talking?
You all better run when she lights that.
Drew, move.
Whoa!
I'm like, what the hell?
I know, I'm like, that's scary.
Sweet Jesus! That's it?
Okay, it'll catch your dress on fire.
Look at all that smoke. Looks like the swag wagon right there.
Good mosquito killer.
Dang! Oh, look at that one. It's actually got colors this time.
Did it poop out? Nope. God damn.
That's a lot. Hey, look, it's pooping out cotton. That's a firework! I got that on video. You know that, right?
It's done.
Don't pick it up and it goes off again. Alright, guys, what you guys think of that one? That one was pooped out a lot of cotton. So Drew's got some adult snappers.
Who's hollering? That hurts. Don't do it on my leg.
He got Sandy on her foot. he threw the firework right at Sandy's leg and it boom.
They will make well.
Those adult snappers. Right, so we're on to the next firework. Hey, Bon. So what'd you think about the first firework?
That was something. My ears are still ringing.
Your ears are still ringing. Oh, I stepped in dog turd on the porch.
I told you.
I think you eat that turd off the
Good
porch.
night.
Alright, guys, we're on to the next firework, so we'll see how better this one is. Watch the get freaking blown up.
They need to get away.
Get it, Sandy!
Get away from the highway. Go back that way, shouldn't they?
Nah, it'd be fine.
I don't want to get in trouble. Get us in trouble.
Light it, run like hell, please.
Well, run, Cletus! I'll blow your balls off!
Caleb Allen. Knock that off that man. What's the same thing?
Kind of the same. This is kind of the same thing.
Had to buy a loud
Dang!
No, man, that shined over on his truck.
That's it?
Okay, big one.
Alright, now time for the big one, guys. Got
Yeah,
Jungle
I don't
Nights.
think you better do that one.
Alright, guys, so now we're on to the big one. So, we hope we don't get no cops called over here, but we're gonna find out. Hey, Bonnie's you scared?
My name Chip, and I shoot fireworks. I need TP for my uncle.
Hey, Sandy, don't poop your pants. Sandy! Hey, Sandy, don't poop your pants. Wipe till it's clean. Alright, guys, so we're gonna light the final firework, which is the biggest one. We're not sure if it's one of the ones that shoot up in the air, so we're gonna find out. Oh crap! There it is! Dang! Dang!
You see what I mean by it's loud?
Yeah.
No, it was fireworks.
Good thing you ran off. All right, so Drew got some black cats. All right, let's see what these do.
You never seen black cats? Come here. Over here. You come closer.
Yeah, do it right there.
You ain't gonna see it.
I can see it.
Be careful.
Don't blow your hand off.
What's a black cat?
I don't know.
These.
Okay, that's enough. We're making a lot of noise. I'll save the rest for later.
All right, guys. So the final firework. I'm gonna do some adult snappers.
No. There's a cop right.
Guys. There's a cop just drove by and got onto us. So we're done with the fireworks. Until next time, you don't do shoot those ants. Watch for asteroids. I'm Astro. See y'all later. Hey, at least we had some fun though. But see y'all later.